welcome to my brand new video of Tax Buster. Today I will be talking about pension relief for higher rate or additional rate taxpayer. My question to you is, if you are a higher rate or additional rate taxpayer, are you getting the full tax relief on your pension contribution? Answer is probably not, at least 73% of the cases. Now, how the tax relief work? If you are earning some money, you pay tax on it. Depending on which tax band you are, you pay 20%, 40%, or 45%. Exactly the same way you save the tax on your pension contribution at 20%, 40%, or 45%. For example, you are a basic rate taxpayer. You put £80 on your pension pot, government pays £20 back on your pension pot, total £100. That's it. If you are a higher rate taxpayer, you only pay £60 and government pays £40, total £100 on your pension pot. If you're an additional rate taxpayer, so it's 55, 45, and 100. Now, there are two types of pension scheme. One is relief at source, one is net pay method. Depending on which company your employer is with, they are running at they are running at relief at source method or net pay method, you might be missing out. So, why would you care? Because your tax is all deducted through your payslip, right? But if you are on relief at source method, you only get 20% relief on your pension pot, but you're supposed to get 40 or 45%, right? So what happened to your other 20 or 25%? However, if you are on net pay method, you get 20% added on your pension pot. Rest is adjusted from your gross pay, and you got nothing to worry about. So relief at source is the problem. And you will be surprised to know that some of the most common and the big names in the pension industry are running at relief at source method, and it's highly likely that you are with one of them. So, is your employer with one of them? Well, if so, you are missing out on perfectly legitimate relief. So, here is an example. Alfie, he's my 3-year-old son. He earns £70,000 salary. As part of the employer pension scheme, he has contributed £3,200 total for the year. As Alfie is a higher rate taxpayer, he's supposed to receive 40% tax relief on his pension contribution. However, as the pension provider operates on relief as source method, he only received 20% relief. If you look at the box on the left, contribution by Alfie is 3,200. And then government put another 20% government top up, £800. That's the tax he saved. Total in his pension pot is £4,000. But he's completely missing out on his other 20% because he's supposed to get relief at 40%. So other £800, Alfie is missing out, and he can easily claim it by filing a tax return. Now, how long? You just realize, well, you need to claim back, and how long you can go back? You can go back up to 5 years, this year and previous 5 years. For example, we are currently running a 2020-21 tax year, which ends on 5th of April 2021 this year. This means you could claim as far back as the 2016-2017 tax year, which ended 5th of April 2017. Now, estimated value of the unclaimed tax relief is for 2017-18, it was for a higher rate taxpayer is £769.4 million. This is the money is sitting with HMRC. It's your money. You're supposed to claim this relief, and you, as a higher rate taxpayer, you never realize that you are missing out on this relief. This money is sitting on HMRC. You just have to go and claim it and get this money back on your bank account and get an extra holiday. Now, how would you know if you are affected with this methods, net pay method or relief at source method? It's very easy to see. All you have to do, just open your payslip, just check your last payslip. For example, your gross salary was £5,000, your gross pay is £5,000, and your pension contribution is £300. On a net pay method, you will realize that your gross pay is £5,000, but your taxable gross is 4,700, and you are getting taxed on £4,700. In this method, you are getting the full relief. As on your payslip, you are a higher rate taxpayer, you are getting relief 20% on your payslip, and then another 20% is getting added on your pension pot. So you're getting your full relief. Nothing to worry about. But if you are a relief as source method, you will see on your payslip, your gross pay is £5,000, your taxable gross is also £5,000. You are getting taxed on £5,000. and then you are all the deduction comes in to play, for example national insurance tax, and then you're gonna see the pension deduction, £300. So this is how you can see the difference between net pay method and gross pay and really fast source method. And if you realize you are on really fast source method, come on, you got some relief to claim from HMRC. And if you just talk about in most cases is about is the higher rate taxpayer, they're missing out. So if you realize you want a really fast source method, please go and talk to your accountant, and they can file the tax return for you. They can claim the money back for you. Don't let the money just sit on with HMRC. You can have another holiday this year. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please let me know on the comment what other videos you want from me on tax, and I will do it on next month. So every month I will be doing one video for you which should help you to save some tax every month. So see you next month again. Thank you very much for watching and for your time.
You're a suck-up, Preston. Oh, they're gonna do their taxes, but I think I'm gonna